Here we have found the skeletal remains of a deer. Look at this. There's a bone. There's its head.
There's another thing with teeth over there.
Get in there.
You can see,
if I was a skull collector, that's a nice one, but I'd rather leave it for somebody else.
you can see all sorts of, this looks like part of the, it's kind of spread out all over the place. Looks like it's been a while that this happened a long time ago, I guess. We think it's a deer. We don't know if it was a deer or not, but it's something.
Where's the other pieces? Oh yeah, right here.
There's one right there, and then if you come over here, there's one right there and there, and then there's, that's all.
Wow.
That could have been more than one, you know?
Yeah, it seems like a lot.
That's sad, but you know, they gotta die somewhere, I guess.
Yeah, you know, it's the circle of life.
I would rather die down here in the woods than out on someone's lawn or something.
Yeah.
Nothing lives forever.
Don't go down.
Well, that looks pretty deep and muddy.
Yeah, I don't want to
Like
go.
in the middle of the water there, it looks pretty deep.
Over there, it looks pretty shallow.
Then it shallows out. So yeah, let's go back down right in here.
Back over here. Yeah, it's
You're gonna have to go through the water, Mom.
there's too many vines
Actually,
over there.
that looks kind of deep too. Let's stay up shore.
Here, look.
Because it gets deep right up there. Once we get like 20 feet up, we're gonna have to just turn around. See how there's all them tree logs? We wouldn't have to, you don't want to go through logs. That's when you twist your ankles and stuff in there.
Pretty feathers here.
Don't touch them. Remember when we were walking? That means the bird died. Like,
Not necessarily. They shed their feathers and stuff.
right? All of them?
No, but
Sometimes they lose their feathers.
yeah, he had a bath or something. You don't know.
Pick it up.
It looks like seagull feathers.
Maybe we could put some of over here. We'll put some.
Okay, here, take the bag.
I got it.
What we are doing, people on the camera are watching, we are planting sunflower seeds down here. We have found out that deer will come and eat your sunflowers. So we're thinking if we plant them down here, the deer will stay down here and eat. Plus it'll make it look nice down here. There'll be tons of sunflowers.
Yeah, you guys could probably put them all over that muddy area.
If we were to do it every year, I would assume after like 10 years we would have them just growing by themselves down here. Don't worry about holding sticks for me. Let them flap back so I know where they're going to go. That's pretty muddy, you guys. Are you sinking?
No, not really.
I am, and I'm not even in there.
Yeah, they're okay. They're lighter than us.
Yeah, I'm heavy. I'm big. Look at that big dead tree that fell over. The whole stump there
Well, we're kind of
just
thinking about
gave out, right? And that huge tree.
Well, one handful and then we're going to go back.
Could you imagine hearing that go down when you were like in the house right there?
We're like
Yeah.
thinking.
Oh, it fell in a good direction though, really.
I think we gotta go.
We always got to remember to stay towards the water.
I think we should go back.
You know, it's so much easier to just walk in the water. What do you got to get? What do you love them shoes or something?
She just for showering.
Good, so what? You're waterproof. The water's not going to seep through into your body.
Yeah.
So then you just get home, and if you don't want to take another shower, you wash your feet in the tub from the knees down. Because this is horrendous out here. You're getting scratched up. See, she's getting hitchhikers. Here, keep sprinkling some now. Give me a nice handful. Some of these spots are wet, you know. As long as they get in them little holes and stuff, they might, you know.
I'm gonna throw some in the water because they do need water and dirt. Because there is water and dirt in the water over there.
That's the problem. They need to stay wet for like a week or two until they germinate.
No, it's like all in the vine. Oh, yeah.
See, that's pretty treacherous waters there, but we're gonna get up there. It's gonna dry out, and we can just walk it.
Got it?
When you're like this and the branches are going, you let the person in front of you go so that all the branches swing back, and then it's your turn. So stay like 4 or 5 feet behind each other.
Look at that. You think something's living in there? Could be like a beaver or something. See the hole?
Don't mess with this. It's a beaver, don't mess.
You think it could be?
Oh, it looks too messy. I don't know. There could be something in there though. Look at this. Look at these things growing on this stump. There's a humongous fungus among us. Or something. Look, that tree has them too. Those are cool looking, kind of. Yeah, we do. Is it deep? Does it look deep? There's a spot where it levels out and it's like you walk for a long ways in the water. And you're only up to like your ankles. Is that right? Should we scratch? We gotta go a little further. Dry right here. We're out of seeds, right? Okay, it's alright. I was gonna say right in the middle would have been neat, but I bet this flood's over. Probably wash it away. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna have to pass all this mess on land. Maybe that's a piece of plywood. Someone taped it or did it wash up like that? And obviously someone chucked it down. Watch out, broken glass. Yeah. There's heavy traffic of deer right through here, huh? Giant tennis ball
Leave it, the deer might use it.
when they're playing deer baseball.
Oh, stop! What? You just stepped on the frog!
Where?
Look, it's that!
Oh.
He's okay. He's okay.
She didn't see it.
He's a toad.
Yeah, look, we'll just let it be.
Wow, look at him. He's happy.
Yeah, he's okay. Okay,
Oh, don't touch him. Oh, he's in a hole.
he'll be alright.
Whoa!
Let's move
What
him.
if he jumps on my...
Okay, we have to pay attention for toads, you guys.
And be careful, don't... Stop. It might be a lot.
A toad is a frog.
I don't know.
It is.
What do I do with the toad? Toads are frogs!
Yeah, toad is a kind of frog.
It's just a...
But not all frogs are toads. We saw a bullfrog and a toad frog. One time when we came down here, there was probably 100 toads. They must have just all been born. It was around in here too, in this flat area.
wet. They were wet, right?
I think so, but they're not really swimmers. Them bullfrogs, they like to swim. All right, should we go back in?
Looks like it's shallow. Let's go back.
Hey, this is dry enough that we can stay up here. It's up to you guys.
It looks kind of deep. Yeah, I think Sandland. Yeah.
Right there.
So yeah, we're not going to do that thing. It's fine if you step on sand because stuff dies in this area.
Yeah, this is like, all these trees are getting old and dying here.
Yeah, it's like a die area.
And then sometimes they're growing new ones, see? This will be a new one right here.
Yeah, right off the stump of that dead one.
It looks like, yeah, so you just never know.
It's always trying to go.
That one's leaning on that one.
Yep.
I think we can go over it.
Yeah.
It's not too old that we can. It won't break when you go on it. It's like a maze over here.
A lot of these, watch what I do. I just step on it.
Oh.
And that way it can't get me.
Yeah.
It can get the person behind me though. Okay, I remember this spot. This is where we got to cross. Up on the right. We go up that hill like. We go,
I'm gonna walking stick too. Oh. Dad, I got you one. This one's too big.
I got too much in my hands already.
Here, how about this one?
Go.
Oh, okay, it's a good size for her.
All right, now this is a little slippery here. We got to go along the right
This is
here.
our history. We come here every time.
I know. And
Or
this
do we
is
want to cross? Or what do we...
no. We want to stay to the right here.
Okay.
So
we can go up that
you can go all the way up, or you can see the deer do it the way I'm about to. See this? But it's definitely safer to go up to the grass.
Very careful.
You don't want to fall.
Sure you only step on the ground.
So you can go around there, yeah.
Half of them down here. Or if you want to.
I'm going to go down around this other side. You got it. Just hold on.
Here. Oh. You got it? Yeah. I'm using my walking stick to help me climb up things and stuff.
It's a good one.
Make sure you don't.
It's a pretty good stick.
Yeah, it wobbles a
You all right, kid?
Yeah.
Okay. That spot's a little bit dangerous. You're right.
Oh, no. Don't look over there. Stay to the right. Stay to the right.
I can't look over there.
Don't look over there.
What?
It's a dead squirrel!
Oh. Oh, okay. No big deal. Same thing. They got to go somewhere to die, so this is where they like to be.
But it's bloody like something killed it.
Well, maybe it did.
I think there's some...
The dead possum is like kind of like.
Sometimes when they're old, they're dying. It's good that something killed it. Maybe he was dying of something.
Because maybe he was in pain.
Right.
It's the circle of life.
And it's brutal.
Maybe it was just that he was in pain and not like died. I got a spider web on my floor.
Alright, you got it.
And I think that's a better help
Look at a cable. There's a cable here. See this?
You know I'm allergic to
zip line.
See, now we're almost to the point where you won't see houses anymore. There's the last house you'll see. From this way.
Deer tracks.
Deer highway, huh?
Okay, do we want to cross? We're about to where we meet the other creek. We're at the end of the first river. Perfect. You going that way, kid?
No.
I was going to stay up top.
Yeah, let's stay up. It's very right. Here, I'm using my walking sticks to help me climb up this.
I'm going to use that route that Mom just used to do it.
It's a lot of.
Remember, watch what you're stepping on. Could be frogs. This is around where we saw your snake. No, it was way farther.
Oh, there's glass right there.
Okay.
The tip, my walking stick hit it. Oh, there's some right there.
Beer cans.
There's cans
Kids
right
must
there.
come out here and have a party.
21-year-old. Which way do we go? This way?
This is river split.
We want to cross this river.
Okay.
We normally
We have
take a
to,
right
even
and we
though-
cross it down to the right somewhat.
We can-
Normally, when we're trying to stay dry especially, we cross down there.
Oh, okay.
See that trail?
So which way?
We can also just walk. We're going to the right.
We're going to the right?
We can walk in the water though if you want, or we can go up here.
It's deep. Oh, this area is not really deep. Wait, do we have to cross?
Yeah.
Alright,
Mom.
so looks like over there we might be able to cross.
Sorry, look, right here is super shallow.
Look at this deer, all these deer prints.
But it's hard to get up.
Yeah. Right around that area is where we put the ferry doors before. I bet that whole thing gets flooded over sometimes. Right over here's the lady that yelled at us. One of these houses, the lady that yelled at us.
Tire?
Right here.
Yep, a tire.
That's
Now,
the tire tag.
yeah.
Okay.
Maybe people picked it up. It's so slippery, we might want to just get in. We're crossing over to here.
I'm gonna go over here.
You guys can go with Mom. I'm just doing it.
I'm gonna do it because my boots are cold.
Look at people put a board here to try to make a crossing. It's not deep enough though. All right, my feet are really wet now. Yeah, it gets pretty deep. Don't walk on that wood. That might have splinters or nails.
Slippery right there.
You guys are just gonna have to get wet. And you're gonna come through here, and we're gonna go up this hill, and it's deep.
There's no choice.
Once you get going, just go.
If you're like me, if you have tall boots, you know what? You don't have to.
And try to take long steps.
I need to jump on my boots.
This is a dumping boot area.
Oh, it's all in my sock.
Well, yeah, our socks are gonna be they're gonna feel gross.
You're wet though. I think we all got wet feet now.
Well, yeah,
Why don't you dump them
My
out?
shirt's soaked.
it's part of the
I
game.
did, but they're all in my sock.
It's part of the game, you guys. Here, let's go this way.
Move the
I think it feels like I have wet bologna in my shoes.
No, it feels like if you have a fish in your shoes.
Yep, like I have fish scales on the bottom of my feet.
Yes.
And there's a little bit of chicken noodle soup in each boot. It's better than trying to fight it though. Now it's just wet. Now you don't care. You can just walk right in.
There's so many little roly poly looking things.
We got 30% battery left.
Really?
This thing sucks down batteries.
Go around. I like over. Move away from me.
Let's get back in here closer to the water.